Hello.
So hey everyone, so this is Jaya. A very welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hope you all are doing very well in your tech journey with this channel. So today this is Jaya is coming with a very another fascinating video, that is how to convert your video into GIF. So what is basically GIF is like graphical interchange format. So let me show you like which video I want to create, I want to convert into GIF. So GIF format, let me show you the video which I have downloaded from the internet. So this is the video. So visitors, as you can see, the sound is coming up from the video. So what is the GIF means? It is the silent video and in a fast manner. Okay, so I will convert this video into GIF format. So what I have to do is just go to the Jupyter notebook. So let me open my Jupyter notebook first. Now I have to program code through which I can convert it into GIF. So let me start my code. movie.moviepi.editor. I'll tell you what does it basically do, these commands. So don't worry about the things which I am not going to taught. I'll tell you in the later video file from enter dot file dialog import. Now I'll apply star here for all. Video equals to ask open file name. Now this is a function convert. Now next clip equals to video file clip. Now this is the video which I am going to convert, so I write the here video. Now clip dot write, here is the GIF function which I am going to use for writing the GIF. Okay, now here is my GIF dot, this is the name which I used to give the name to the converted GIF file. Okay, so FPS here, what is FPS? Is the frame per second. It is the speed at which those images are shown on your desktop screen or in the mobile phones. Okay, so I write here 10. Okay, this is the minimum standard speed for showing any image on the screen. And what is moviepi.py editor? That is the Python module for video editing, which can be used for basic operations like I am doing cutting, concatenations, video processing, or create advanced efforts. And basically it can read and write the most common video formats included GIF. So that is why we use this module, Python module, that is moviepi.editor. So let me run this program first. Okay, so let me run this program first. So as you can see the star here, it is showing it is processing the code. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, little bit seconds. So my code is running. So what you have to do is, you can see in this bar, like it is showing which file you want to convert. So I have already installed I have already downloaded my Doraemon Nobita Shizuka this video. So I have choose this as this. So it is creating, as you can see here. I should minimize this. So as you can see, like MoviePie building file my GIF with the image.io. What is image.io? It is creating the image through the video, okay, by video. So it will take a less time. So let's wait. How can we like do this effects? And it will be very interesting to see. Very interesting. So it is processing the video into GIF file. So let me hurry up 83, 84, 85. Yeah, maybe it's done. Yeah, it's totally done. So let me search here my image. What is the name we have assigned here? My gif.gif. Okay, so I search here my gif. So here it is the file which you can see. So let me see the image. Okay, the sound is full here. As you can see, this video file is converted into GIF format. So no sound is there. So this is all we have done. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. So thank you so much.
Another happy